Question 902. A tenant with a lease to reside in an apartment building asks the landlord to repair the furnace that provides heat for all the units in the building. The landlord ignores the tenant's repeated requests. It is winter time and very cold in the building. In reaction, the tenant decides to stop paying his monthly rent until the landlord does the repairs. The tenant is A. Legally in the right, B. Legally in the wrong, C. Authorized to check into a hotel and have the landlord pay the bill, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Legally in the right. According to the BRE Reference Book, if the landlord does not honor a lease's implied warranty of habitability, such as providing heat for a building in the winter, the tenant can be considered constructively evicted. That means he may remain in possession and halt rental payments according to how much his use and enjoyment of the premises has been impaired.